Welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at the best way to use your Cowrywise emergency fund. Now, you might be wondering, what's the best way or the best time to use your emergency fund? Well, just notice one thing: not every expense is an emergency. Use your fund only for medical emergencies like hospital bills, urgent treatments. Use your emergency fund for only job loss support, for example, basic living expenses, while unemployed. And lastly, use it for essential repairs like car breakdowns and home damages. Avoid dipping into your emergency fund for non-urgent expenses like vacation. That is not an emergency. That's an emergency. Shopping. Nope, not an emergency. All luxury purchases. These are not the emergencies you should use your Cowry emergency fund for. Now, here are I'm going to give you tips on the best ways to grow and maintain your emergency fund. We'll be doing that in the next video. Hope to see you there.